Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Advik. How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good evening, Chiranjan.
Ma'am, so what are we going? Ma'am, are we going to learn skeletal system more?
Yes.
Ma'am, okay, ma'am. I'm going to.
There's any writing work today?
Yeah, we will be doing after learning few topics. We will be doing the writing work also. So let us start now. Then with the the next topic we will be starting. I think last class we have discussed about the skull, right? So brain will be protected in a box-like structure which is called as the skull. Now we will be learning about the rib cage. So Advait, in
Ma'am,
the rib
rib
cage, which
cage.
all organs are
Ma'am,
protected?
ma'am, rib cage. Ma'am, in rib cage. Ma'am, ma'am, ribs are bow-shaped bones.
Chiranji, just wait. Chiranji, wait. Yeah, Advait, tell me.
Ma'am, the wreckage is formed with 12 pairs of curved bones which help us to protect the lungs and
Right.
heart.
12 pairs will be there.
12 pairs.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Correct, Advait. Yeah, tell me, Chiranji.
Ma'am, ribs are bow-shaped bones. There are 12 pairs of ribs. They form a cage around the chest and protect the heart and the lungs.
Right.
And
So
ma'am,
in the ribs, the rib cage will
ma'am,
be there. Inside the rib cage. Hmm.
from 12, ma'am, 10 from the left side and 10 from the right side are joined together, ma'am. And
I'm
ma'am,
coming in a
12
minute.
are floating in the air. 12 are floating.
Correct. Fine. So the last two pairs, they will be floating actually, and that is why they are called as a floating rib. Okay. So let me share the screen now. Okay, is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Just 1 minute.
Ma'am, we have to write this.
No, no, just wait. First of all, I'll be explaining you. Just give me 1 minute, okay?
Ma'am, should we
Yeah.
write it after you
No, no, no.
explain?
Wait, wait, wait. Let me explain. So, rib cage, the last class we have studied about the skull. So, in the skull, there will be the kind of the structure called as the brain, and it will be protected. The brain will be protected. It has so many different kinds of the bones joined together. Now, rib cage, it protects the organs like the heart and the lungs. The ribcage is the arrangement of ribs attached to the vertebral column. So at the back, what do we have? We have a kind of the backbone, which is vertebral column, and sternum also in the thorax of the most vertebrates. So most of us in our body, what do we have? We have the vertebral column and the sternum, and surrounding that. So you can see here. So this is basically the rib. Total structure is called as the rib cage. The starting one they are called as the ribs, and the last two pairs are called as the floating ribs or the false rib. Okay, so this is here we have the thorax and the vertebral column and the sternum will be here. So which encloses and protect the heart and the lungs. It has 24 ribs in 12 pairs. So generally 12 pairs will be there. Starting 10, they are called as a normal ribs, and the last two are the floating ribs because they do not get attached to the sternum. They do not attach to the sternum. That is why they are always in floating position. That is why they are called as the floating ribs. The rib cage has three important functions. The first one is protection. The second one is the support and respiration. So this rib cage will be helping to protect. It gives the support also, and also it helps the respiration process. It encloses and protects the heart and the lungs. Very, very important that with the help of the rib cage, what happened? The protection to the heart and the lungs will be given. And the sternum is a long flat bone that forms the front of the rib cage. So in the front, what will be there? The sternum bone will be there, which is a long and the flat bone. Fine, so start writing this now. Wrote children?
No,
Ma'am
ma'am.
did.
The respiration.
Ma'am did.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am.
All have done?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Now the next
Ma'am,
one
can
is,
you keep from first, ma'am? Now only I joined.
Advik, actually, last classes, we have done all this thing, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Now, what you do, Advik, what you should do is, you start from here only, okay? Start from this point, second point.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine, I'll explain you this. Rib cage is this structure, okay? I'll just show you the photo. Advik, this is, others, you can mute yourself. Advik, this is the rib cage, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. So what the rib cage they will do, they will protect the organs like the heart and the,
Ma'am, lungs are. Ma'am means our rib cage is like so flat, ma'am, that it can contain lungs and heart. Ma'am,
Ma'am, can you show it again?
who became the host? Just tell me. Ma'am left the meeting.
Ranjit.
Huh?
Only.
You.
I didn't.
But I joined first.
I didn't begin. I don't have
You.
the option
Your
for
name came.
Yes.
maybe my name came over there. But see, I don't have it.
It is disabled.
It is visible. But see, I don't have it. Options.
You can see on the participants. You are
I know, but I'm not removing anybody. That class,
so
I
that
think
means
Okay, ma'am
I
will
joined
join.
last. Right. Let ma'am come. I'll tell.
why you wanted to well,
See, you both came first. I mean, you used to come last when I joined first. That's why you used to became only first. Today I joined last. I didn't. I didn't. See, I don't have the security option or anything also. Let me just tell ma'am why I became the host.
Ma'am didn't join.
Why she has not joined also.
You hoisted.
My voice, not hers. Sleepy a lot. Advik?
Ma'am is not able to connect.
Wait, let me see again.
She
Only
messaged
three
in the group.
Only three participants.
She messaged in the group that she is not able to connect.
Wait, let me see the kindly complete the notes till ribcage and learn them from Sundays.
Can you
So
can you
it
tell
means
can you tell the second point after the 24 ribs in 12
second
pairs?
point.
Yes.
The ribcage has three important. That one.
What?
The ribcage has that one.
No. This
Then
point
where are
only.
you?
I
Where are
think
you?
ma'am will be not joining the class.
Show me your notebook. Show me your notebook.
Here I am. The ribcage has.
The ribcage has. Okay, let me see. The ribcage has three important functions.
Then
Like we
after
do a one minus sign like that. Minus sign. Minus sign over there. Or you can
function.
put equals to. Equals to.
Yeah. Okay. Put
Is
it.
equal to
After that,
protection, support, and respiration. Protection, support, and respirations.
I think ma'am will be not joining the class.
I don't know.
Why? How do you know?
Wait, she told me now. See,
Yes.
listen.
Done.
Children
Respiration.
not able to get connected. She has sent in the group.
And she is sending the
It
notes.
encloses and protect it.
What?
It
You can
encloses.
see.
ENCLOSE.
You can see from the group.
Huh?
Okay. Yes, ma'am has sent it you all now.
Yeah.
Okay,
Mama said it.
that means you can leave the class. No?
Mama send. Do. I mean one.
I think you can leave the class if she. Yes. We can leave the class.
Wait. When ma'am is gonna teach.
Ma'am is calling.
Wait, who? Ma'am?
Yes. Where? Hmm. Hmm. I think the classes will. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm the host. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am has asked me to end the meeting. Okay, everybody, bye.
Advik Singh, you have an option to
Bye.
correct.
Yes. Now he is with the host.
Click leave. Make leave all of them.
Click on the
Just
end button. Click on the end
It will
button.
show the host ended the meeting. Just click on that. You are the host.
Chiranji, you have made the other host.
Hmm?
You have made the
See the
other host.
participant. He is the host. Advik Singh is the host. See the participants. He is recording, I think.
Yes.
Tell your brother. Go in that. Tell here only. Wait, again?
Chiranji.
You left the meeting now. I am the host. I am giving you the host. Okay? Now you end the meeting.